So let's discuss what a quadratic equation is. So a quadratic equation in the variable x is an equation that can be written down in this form: ax plus b plus c is equal to 0. Now a, b, and c here are real numbers, they're real constants, and a is not equal to 0. This is very important because if a is equal to 0, that would mean that this equation is just bx plus c, and that is a linear equation. That is not a quadratic equation. So basically, another name for a quadratic equation is x is a second degree polynomial in x, as uh, the highest power of x in this equation is 2. So this is an example of a quadratic equation. Over here, the value of a is 1, b is -7, and c is 10. This is a. Similarly, here the value of a here is 6, the value of b here is 1, and the value of c here is -15. So there are three ways to solve quadratic equations. One by factorization, the second is by completing square method, and the third is by applying the quadratic formula. We'll discuss these later.